Can you use 529 plan funds with AOTC or LLC tax credits? Imagine saving for college and getting the best of both worlds, tax-free withdrawals and valuable tax credits. You might wonder if you can do both at the same time. Well, the answer is yes, but with some important rules to follow. A 529 plan is a special account designed to help families save for future college costs. When you use money from a 529 plan to pay for qualified education expenses like tuition, books, or supplies, those withdrawals are completely tax-free at the federal level. That means you don't pay taxes on the money when it's used for school. Now, the American Opportunity Tax Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit are different ways to get tax benefits. The AOTC can give you up to $2,500 per eligible student for the first 4 years of college. It covers expenses like tuition, required fees, and course materials. The LLC offers up to $2,000 per year for tuition and fees, and you can claim it for many years, including graduate courses. Here's where it gets interesting. You cannot claim both the tax credit and the 529 plan for the same expenses. For example, if you use 529 funds to pay $10,000 in tuition, you cannot also claim the AOTC or LLC on that same $10,000. The IRS wants you to choose how you get your benefits, so you must keep track of what expenses are paid out of pocket or through other sources, and what is paid with 529 funds. A smart way to maximize your benefits is to pay some tuition costs out of your own pocket or through student loans, then use 529 funds for additional expenses. For instance, you might pay the first for $1,000 of tuition yourself to claim the AOTC, and then use 529 funds for the rest. This way, you get the most from both tax benefits without breaking any rules. When you file taxes, you need to keep detailed records of all your expenses and withdrawals. The IRS requires you to reduce the qualified expenses used for claiming the tax credits by the amount of 529 funds you used. This prevents double dipping and keeps everything clear. So, in summary, you can use 529 plan funds and claim the American Opportunity Tax Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit in the same year. But you have to carefully separate which expenses are paid from which source. Planning ahead helps you get the most out of your college savings and tax benefits, making your journey to higher education smoother and more affordable.